Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In previous video, we told about the string slicing. Okay, in this video, how to print the part of a string. Okay, see, first, already I told about the what is index. Okay, what is first index and what is last index. I told this all concept. Okay, see here, suppose if I want to print, okay, if I want to print first letter, okay, if I want to print first character, see here, first char is equal variable name. For an example, down here I gave variable name is word. Okay, variable name and square braces. Okay, square braces, brackets also we are calling here. I am calling square braces. See, first index. Okay, here first index, what I mean, 0. Okay, first index means 0. First index means 0. Enough. No need to keep colon, just enough. Okay, this is the first char. Suppose if I want to print last char. Okay, if I want to print last char, last character means word length minus, okay, the length of the string minus 1. Okay, length of the string minus 1. This is the first character and last character. Okay, once we will see this is the syntax. This is the syntax of the string slicing. Okay, first we see it. See, first char. Okay, just paste this, copy and paste. Okay, this is the first character. Okay, this is the first character. How to print it? See here, print first char. Print first char. See it. See, this is the what is the first character of the string? H. The first character of the string is equal H. As well as I want to print last character. Here, what is the last character? Here, last character is exclamation mark. Okay, exclamation mark. See here how to print it. First, if you want to find the last character, before that you want to find length of the string. Okay, length of the string here. Okay, length of the string. Okay, length of the string is equal to len function word. Okay, len function word. Now see first what is the length of the string. See, once length of the string is equal to how many characters are there in that string? Total 12 characters are there. Okay, total 12 characters are there. Then last index means how much will come? The length of the string minus 1. The length of the string minus 1. 11 will come, but no need to print like that. See here, the length of the string minus 1, you have to print. Okay, see, erase it. This is the first character. First character we also print. The last character is last char. Last char is equal to word. Okay, word, square braces, length of the string, minus 1. Okay, length of the string minus 1. Okay, print. Already we printed first character. Likewise, print last char. Okay, last char. See here, see, exclamation mark. Okay, the last character is exclamation mark. Suppose here I am removing exclamation mark. Now the last character is what? D. Okay, now the last character is D. See how? See, D came. Okay, the last character is D came. Likewise, we have to print first character and last character. First character and last character. Suppose here I want to print some particular part. Okay, here I want to print some particular part. Before that, same word I am taking. See, okay, see this. Here I am taking hello world. Hello world. Okay, down I am giving indexes 1 2 3 4. Okay, here space is also one of the index. Space is also one of the index. 6 7 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 8, 9 and 10. See here, for understanding purpose, okay, for understanding purpose, I am giving some spaces for understanding purpose only. But initially, this is the initially this the first character index is 0, second character is 1, 2, 3, 4, space 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here D is the 10. Okay, here 10 is the index. Okay, 10 is the index. See, suppose if I want to print as for your requirement, okay, or as per our requirement. See, see here, suppose here I want to print, okay, here I want to print, suppose I want to print HEL. Okay, here I want to print HEL. Before that, I will explain you clearly. Suppose if you want any specific part, okay, the if you want to print any specific part, the syntax is, okay, the syntax for that is, the syntax for that is variable name, okay, variable name, square braces, okay, variable name, square braces, under, first you keep one colon, okay, first you keep one colon. This is one of the syntax. This syntax is indicates complete string. Okay, this is syntax is indicate complete string. From starting index to ending index, it will be complete string. Okay, suppose here what I am saying, suppose here if you want to print, okay, here I am printing 0, okay, 0. When I am printing 0 index, I will show you practically also I will show you. See, part, okay, here I am keeping name is part. See here, word as a string, word as a string. First here what I am saying, first keep colon, okay, first keep colon, remove this length of this string, remove this length of this string. See, first keep colon. See here, first here I want to print. Okay, here part is a variable name. This now the syntax is like this. Here I am keeping part. Okay, here now the complete string will print. The complete string will print. Suppose here what I am saying, suppose if I want to print from H onwards. Okay, H onwards complete string, at that time keep 0 index. Okay, at that time keep 0 index. Now the complete string is starting from 0. Suppose if you want to print from ELLO onwards, okay, ELLO onwards, at that time here you keep 1 to ending. Okay, keep 1 to ending. See, HELLO word. Okay, ELLO word. Suppose if you want to print, okay, if you want to see, already I gave indices. Okay, here first indices. Suppose if I want to print only world, okay, if I want to print only world, what is the index of the W6? Okay, here the index of the W is equal to 6. Now at that time here you keep 0, you keep 0. Now it will print world. Now it will print world. Okay, likewise you have to print. Okay, suppose this is from starting index side. Okay, this explanation is coming from starting index side. Now I will explain about from ending index side. See here, suppose if you keep any index from here, any index from here, for here, see here, suppose what is the length of the, what is the length of the complete string? Okay, the length of the complete string is equal to 11. Okay, the length of the complete string is equal to 11. What is the last index? Okay, the last index is 10. The last index is 10. Here what happened means the complete string will be printed. The complete string will be printed. No, sorry, yeah, here I forgot. Actually here what we mentioned, that index, okay, that index number is not printed. Before that index number only it will be printed. Here what I mean, here what I mentioned, the last index is 10 I mentioned. Okay, the last index is 10 I mentioned, but the printing will happen up to here only. The last index it won't take in. Okay, the last index it won't take in. Okay, if you want to print complete sentence, okay, if you want to print complete sentence, for last index you add +1. Okay, if last index if you add +1, the complete string will, the complete string will be print, the complete string will be print. See here, now hello world, now hello world. Suppose you remove this one, before the d won't be print. Okay, d won't be print, it's just print hello WORL. Okay, if you want to print complete string at the time plus word or length of the string, if you yeah, if you paste the length of the string at that place, the complete sentence will be print. Why? Because the last index it's won't taken. Okay, the last index it's won't taken. See, hello world. Okay, this is from end index type, in end index. Okay, at end index it won't take an end index, before only it will be print. Okay, end index before only it will be print. Suppose if I want to print only the here to here only. Okay, here to here only. See here, suppose here to here means, suppose see what is the index of e1. Okay, what is the index of O4, but here you need to print up to here, you want to paste up to take index, last index you have to take 5, last index you have to take 5. At that situation only it will be print up to this one. See, we will see practically what is the starting index. 2. What is the starting index? 1. Okay, what is the starting index? 1. If I want to print wo up to print wo, if you need to print the index of the space. Okay, index of the space. If you need to print ELLO, but you have to paste the index of the space. At that time only it will print before string. Okay, before part of the string. See, what is the output? ELLO. Oh, if you print the index of the wo, at that time it will print only ELL. At that time it will print ELL. See, if you want to print ELLO at that time, paste the yeah, the output will be print as per your requirement. Okay, suppose if I want to print up to HELLO, well, at that time first the starting index you will keep 0 or nothing, no problem, there is no effect on the output. Okay, suppose if you want to print up to L, the index of the L is equal to 9. Okay, the index of the L is equal to 9. At that time you need to print 10. At that time you need to print, you have to print 10. At that time only HELLWORL. Okay, suppose if you print 9, at that time it will print up to here only. Okay, up to here only. So L won't be print. Okay, see, this is the part of the index. I hope you understand, friends, what is the start index and what is the end index, how to print the start index and how to print the end index. Here index means how to print the first character and as well as last character, as well as part of the string and part of the words and part of, as per your requirement you have to print the complete string. Okay, this is the concept, friends. Okay, in the next class we will see some examples on the string slicing. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you understand. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel. If